Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of Broski. Today in this video I just want to show how to cancel your Adobe plans. So you can see, just subscribe to the trial version of Photoshop. Just want to cancel it here on this video and let me show how we can do it. It's very easy. You just have to install the Creative Cloud to your PC. So once you just install that, just open it and you're gonna check out for your account, and here you can see we have Adobe account. Just click on it, and on the next step you have to find out manage plan. But before this, you can see just got only 6 days left from the trial version, so we're gonna click on manage plan to cancel our Adobe plan. I mean Photoshop Adobe plan. So once I just click on it, you can see we got the cancel your free trial. So you're gonna click on it, and here you can see we can just continue with our Gmail account that we subscribe to Adobe plan. And on this page we're going to describe why we are going to unsubscribe for the plan. So I'm just going to choose, it is too expensive for me, so I'm going to just click on continue up. So we're going to click on no thanks, and here we're going to click on continue. And we're gonna click on no thanks, and after that cancellation details include, and it's just going to cancel it in just 5 seconds. And here you can see it's just loading up our cloud account. So when I back to check my Adobe plan, you can see it has been cancelled. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video to your friends. If you like the video, don't forget to like button. See you until next week. 12 videos. Bye bye my friends, peace.